anxiously waited for your period, that monthly visitor that can sometimes feel like an uninvited guest? Or perhaps you've been caught completely off guard when it arrives unexpectedly early, disrupting your plans and leaving you scrambling? It's a common experience. You're definitely not alone in this. Many women experience similar anxieties and surprises. Your period isn't just an inconvenience, it's much more than that. It's a vital sign, a key indicator of your overall health and well-being. Think of it like your blood pressure, a regular check that tells you about your cardiovascular health, or your heart rate, a measure of how efficiently your heart is working. A regular cycle generally means your hormones are balanced and working in harmony. And when your hormones are balanced, your body feels safe, secure, and at ease. But when things shift and your cycle becomes irregular, it's not a failure on your part. Don't beat yourself up about it. Instead, it's your body gently asking for your attention, signaling that something might need addressing. This video is designed to be your comprehensive guide to understanding the nuances of irregular periods, and more importantly, how to respond with knowledge and care. We'll break down exactly what the term irregular really means in the context of your menstrual cycle, explore the common reasons why irregularities happen, and provide you with practical steps on how to gently restore balance to your body. No judgment here. We're all on this journey together. Just pure curiosity and a commitment to self-care and understanding. By learning to truly listen to your body's signals, you can move from a place of confusion and frustration to one of confidence and empowerment. So let's begin this journey of understanding together. Have you ever wondered about the consistency of your menstrual cycle? What does it mean when things seem a little off? What is an irregular period, really? Simply put, an irregular period is characterized by unpredictability in your menstrual cycle. It means the timing between your periods, the length of your period, or the amount of flow varies significantly from month to month. A regular cycle usually falls within a pretty consistent window. We generally say that's between 21 and 35 days. That 21 to 35 day range is counted from the first day of one period all the way to the first day of the next. It's the total length of your menstrual cycle. Now, some slight variation is perfectly normal. A day or two here or there isn't usually cause for concern. But big, unpredictable changes, like a period that's consistently very early or very late, are a red flag that something might be amiss. So, what are some of the signs of irregularity? They include cycles that swing wildly in length, varying by more than a week each month. Another sign is missed periods, and we're not talking about when you're pregnant. We mean completely absent periods when you're expecting them. Keep an eye out for unusual bleeding patterns too. This could mean periods that are much heavier or lighter than usual, or that last for a significantly different number of days. Spotting between periods when you're not expecting any bleeding at all is another potential indicator. Dramatic shifts in flow, from very light to very heavy, can also signal an underlying hormonal imbalance or other issue. For teens, some irregularity is quite common, as the body is still finding its natural rhythm and hormonal balance. But for adults, consistent irregularity is a sign to pay attention and investigate further. Don't ignore these clues. Your body is asking for support and attention. It's communicating something important to you. Irregular cycles aren't just how you are. They're not something you simply have to accept without question. They're messages about your health, potential indicators of underlying conditions that deserve attention. Listen to them. Your body knows what it's doing, and it's trying to tell you something. Your period is sensitive to change. Stress is a top disruptor. High stress raises cortisol, which can block ovulation. Not eating enough, skipping key nutrients, or over-exercising can also throw your cycle off. Even big changes in sleep, travel, or work shifts can disrupt your hormonal clock. Health conditions like PCOS, thyroid disorders, or perimenopause are common causes. Some medications or recent illness can also be temporary disruptors. Your cycle is a mirror. When it's off, something deeper may need attention. You can actively support your cycle and foster a healthier hormonal balance. It's about creating a nurturing environment within your body, with simple, gentle habits that integrate seamlessly into your daily life. These small changes can make a significant difference. Build stress resilience. Try meditation. Even just a few minutes each day can help regulate your cortisol levels. Yoga. Focusing on poses that promote relaxation and ease tension in the body. Or time in nature, allowing yourself to disconnect from the demands of daily life and reconnect with the natural world. These practices help to calm your nervous system, reducing the impact of stress on your hormonal health. Eat enough. ensuring you're providing your body with the necessary building blocks for hormone production and include whole food carbs, like sweet potatoes and fruit, which provide sustained energy and support healthy blood sugar levels. These carbohydrates are essential to fuel your hormones and keep your cycle regular. Balance meals with protein, which is crucial for hormone synthesis, healthy fats, and fiber-rich veggies, which aid in detoxification and hormone balance. This combination promotes stable blood sugar, preventing energy crashes and hormonal imbalances. Prioritize deep, consistent sleep, as it's during sleep that your body repairs and regulates hormones. Aim for 7-9 hours in a cool, dark room to optimize your sleep quality and hormone production. Gentle movement like walking, which improves circulation and reduces stress, swimming, a low-impact exercise that's easy on the joints, or restorative yoga, which promotes relaxation and reduces cortisol levels, supports your hormones without overtaxing your body, helping to maintain a healthy balance. Listen to your body. Rest when you need it, honoring your body's signals and allowing it to recover. Add magnesium-rich foods like leafy greens and nuts, as magnesium is essential for hormone production and stress management. Or consider a supplement to ensure you're meeting your daily needs. Track your cycle with an app or journal to gain insights into your body's patterns and fluctuations. This info is empowering and helpful for your doctor, allowing for more informed conversations about your health. Be patient. It can take a few cycles to see changes, so don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Kindness and consistency are key to nurturing your cycle back to health. Your body responds best to care, not force, so treat yourself with compassion and understanding throughout the process. Sometimes you need a doctor's help. If your period is absent for 3 months and you're not pregnant, or cycles are always shorter than 21 or longer than 35 days, get checked. Heavy bleeding, periods lasting over 7 days, or bleeding between periods also need medical attention. Bring your cycle tracking notes to your appointment. They're valuable clues. Ask for thorough blood work, including thyroid and reproductive hormones. Remember, your observations matter. An irregular period isn't a failure, it's your body's way of asking for care. Trust your body, celebrate progress, and treat yourself with compassion.